In front of me is OnePlus 6T, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Bluetooth and Device Connection. Then hit Bluetooth at the top and use this switcher if it's not already on. Following that, click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Wait for the pop-up, and when it shows, select Pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!